Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon nga pala, meron ako ngayon dito. I have my hair. So, mangkukulam tayo ngayon. Hindi, joke lang. Meron tayo dito, meron tayo ditong kandila. And kukulamin natin. May kukulamin tayo ngayon guys. Tinitingnan ko kasi baka mamaya mag-alarm yung yung fire natin, yung smoke detector. Yan natin yung si Doggy Bear. Anyways, ito nga pala yung matagal ko nang gustong gamitin. Dalawa ang binili ko nito. Tapos, 3 years ago, hala, may expiration date pala to. Expired May 2023. Tapos na siya. So, ano siya? It's from Switzerland actually. This is from Switzerland and this one is $89.95. Ayan siya, $89.95 siya guys. Yan. This was like almost $2 in Philippines. So, binili ko siya sa Landmark. I bought it in Landmark for almost $2. This is like 45 grams. So, they said, low heat lang. Kaya dito ko siya nilagay. Low heat lang para makita nyo guys. So, low heat lang to. Bubuksan na natin siya. This is Hairless Beauty for face and body. This is for... So, ang gagawin ko siyang sa armpit ko guys. Sa armpit. Medyo layo natin tong camera. Yan, layo natin yung camera. Kasi baka pag ilapit ko naman kasi itong pag ilapit ko kasi itong candle, baka naman masunog naman ako, diba? So, ito, bubuksan na natin ito, guys. We will just unbox this one. And, hirap. Ang init, guys. Ang init. So, matagal ko na siyang gustong gamitin, kaya wala akong time. So, I don't have so much time. I wanted to use this one, but I really don't have so much time. Meron pala nito. So, what is this? Meron siyang, it has instruction here. It's written here in English, so you don't have to worry about this one. And this is my first time to use this. And apply a strip of wax on a clean dry skin. Spread it evenly with spatula like butter on bread. So, first time ko siyang gagamitin, guys. So, I don't know how to do it. So, they said, it says, ayan, si Daddy mahilig kasi siya sa mga Snoopy. Ayan, ang dami naming Snoopy na, be careful lang kasi baka masunog, ng apoy. So, meron tayong kandila dito. Scented candle to guys. Scented candle siya, ang bango niya. So, pag maganda to pag winter, mainit-init, diba? Kaso, yung ceiling, baka kasi yung ceiling, baka mangitim. So, punasan daw natin kilikili natin muna. Tapos amuyin. Diba nahilo. Yan. Punasan daw yung lalagyan ng kilikili. Ayan. Ito yung kilikili ko guys. So, nagbunot na ako kasi manually, nagbubunot ako ng kilikili. Nagbubunot ako. So, first time kong gagamitin to, kunyari, nagmamadali ka na. So, first time, kung magustuhan ko siya, bibili uli ako. Kung hindi ko siya magustuhan, hindi ako bibili, diba? So, titry natin kung effective ba to or mabilis. Siyempre, mabilisan yan, diba? So, kasi pag manually mo siyang ginaganon, it will takes time, diba? So, pag ito yung kilikili ko, guys. Kung pag medyo maitim na siya, ibig sabihin nun, may mga na siya, buhok-buhok na siya. So, yan, gagawin natin. Kailangan daw dry na dry. Kailangan maganda to pag bagong ligo para hindi ka amoy putok, diba? So, you have to use this one before, you have to use this procedure or do this procedure before, after taking a shower so you don't smell bad. You know, your armpit won't smell bad. So, you have to do it. So, they said you have to dry your armpit. So, make sure it's dry. So this is my first time to use this one actually. I bought this one for like almost like 3 years actually. So I'm not sure. I always pluck my manually. I usually pluck my hair here manually, but I'm not sure if, I'm not sure if this is effective, or if this is much way easier than to pluck my hair, because if I pluck my hair, it will take time like 20 minutes. I have to finish plucking all my hair here, and it will last for like 4 to 3 days before it will grow again. So I usually pluck my armpit twice a week, or sometimes if I have enough time, almost every day I pluck my hair here. So that's it. So okay, let's do it now. So what is this? Okay, so this is already the wax. Okay, I thought there was a plastic on top. Okay, I just want to make sure there's no plastic on top. So we will just like melt this one up for like, I don't know. So I have my own here. So we will just spread it here like this. So we will just try it out for a piece of that, because I'm really pretty scared. So I don't have any tray here, so let's get some tray first, or some plate. Hold on guys. Okay, I just want to make sure I have my extra plate here, so I can able to put this one just in case it's hot. So be careful of the fire, guys. This is not good for children, okay? Children should not do this one without the provision of adult, okay? So you have to be careful. So kayo mga magulang or any other people there who live in the house with your kids, so kapag may mga kids kayo, make sure tell them, you have to tell them this is dangerous, don't play with it without any the guidance of your mommy or your sister or your you know, some adult in your house, because this is very dangerous, guys. So kailangan pagsabihan niyo sila na hindi ito laruan. This is not a toy, okay? This is a serious matter. You might get burned or anything else, okay? So don't do it if you're tanga-tanga. Charot. So anyways, use your brain when you're doing it, okay? So you won't get burned or something like that, okay? But anyways, this is my first time to do this one. So let's just try it out. It says don't just keep it a little bit warmer. Just keep it a bit warmer. So maybe if it already melted, then that's fine. But it's not melting, guys. So I'm just gonna show you this one. So I use this one. It's better than to use the because if we go to the kitchen, I mean, oh my god, it turns like this already. It turns black, and the handle became very hot already. Yeah, it's getting hotter. So make sure you won't get burned. Okay. So I don't know how long does it take. Maybe around 2 minutes, or if it melt already. Doesn't melt. It's still hard. So let's just make it closer. Let's read it first. Application. Place the melting pan on low heat. Press the wax down with the spatula. The melted wax will rise to the surface. Melt only as much wax as you need. Let wax cool and place the melting. Let wax cool until the consistency is similar to honey, not too hot. Spread, let wax. If you have some, oh, it's melted. It's melting now, guys. Is it melting? It's getting hotter actually. The handle here, it's getting hotter. So be careful, guys. Oh, there you go. So the under, it's already melting actually. So you can see it's already melting there. Okay. I see. Oh, it's melting now, guys. It's like honey. Oops, it's like honey. Okay, make sure. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, it's kind of a little bit hot. So you have to be careful. So you just apply it here. Okay, let's try it on. I'm scared. Does it hurt? Let's try. Actually, it melted. I'm scared. Let's just put a little, guys. I'm scared. I'm not really good at it. So we should like I can't barely see it. Can you see it, guys? Okay. Ouch. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait until it dries. This one is like this, so you have to like remove it. Oh, I think I bought some paper. Oh, actually this one. I don't know where's the paper here. Ouch. So I have to wait. So while waiting, let's do this one. Oops. So this one, let's melt this one a little bit. It's really sticky actually. Make sure it's not that hot, guys. This is warm actually. Next time, let's do it in my legs. It feels like, you know, do you know the feeling of, ow. Do you know the feeling of rugby? It's like that. Ow. Parang tumidikit siya, guys. So, it feels like, you know, rugby. So, you just have to maybe wait it until it dries or what. I'm not sure. It's crazy. So, I felt like I don't need to, once you, ouch. Once you apply it on your armpit, make sure you don't fold your, you just have to do like this. You have to really like, you know, don't close your armpit until it dries. Okay, so how long? Oh, okay. It's really sticky, guys. Oh my god, how? Oh gosh. Actually, it doesn't remove. So sticky. I think I need some, you know, I will already turn off the fire. So okay, let's just, oh my god, this is sticky. There's no hair. I cannot see any hair. Ah, let's try. It's already a little bit, oh, still like, ano ba to? Ah, my hair goes under. Ano ba to, guys? Sticky. Should I remove it na? Ah. Why it's like this? Ano ba yan? Ba't ganito, guys? Ah. Parang wala namang ganap, guys. Aray. Parang hindi. Parang wala ako nakikita ang buhok. Aray. Ano ba yan? Ano ba naman to? Nagkakadikit-dikit siya oh. Parang kailangan yata may paper para dun didikit. Kailangan ko ng band paper, guys. Aray. Pata ng band paper. Para dun dumikit sa paper. Parang dumikit yung kilikili ko dun ah. Parang dumikit yung kilikili ko, guys. Ano ba to? Glue? Mag-ano tayo? DIY. Meron ako papel, kaso hindi ko alam kung nasan yun, nawawala. Try natin to. Sakit eh. Hindi ko siya mabunot, guys. Nakadikit siya oh. Parang nakadikit. Ala. Wala, sakit. Wala namang buhok, guys. Wala namang buhok. Ay natin. Wala namang buhok. Di ba dapat ano? Mabilis? Aray ko. Ayun. Wala namang buhok eh. May parang may linya. Wala namang buhok. Ano ba yan? Nasaan na isa pa? Isa pang papel eh, nalaglag. Aray ko. Meron pa kasi. Wala naman eh. Ano lang yung buhok ko eh. O diba nakadikit siya guys. Hindi naman masakit pag bubunutin mo. Hindi siya masakit guys. Ang masakit lang. Hindi naman siya masakit. Bakit yung iba pa nakikita ko dun sa ano, sa video parang nasasaktan sila. Hindi naman masakit. Hindi ako nasasaktan. Siguro dandahan lang. Ewan ko. O, dumidikit siya, o, diba? Hindi kayo mali yung pagkalagay ko. Wala eh. Wala naman buhok. Kasi kapaplak ko lang. Wala naman buhok. Wala naman buhok na nakikita guys. Ang gastos pala neto sa papel, no? Tagal mawala nung ano. Para siyang rugby actually. Dumidikit. Para siyang rugby. Yung isa naman dun, busy ka pag di ka, ano. Wala namang ganap, guys. Meron pa eh. Hindi naman siya masakit. Actually, hindi siya masakit. Sana wala na, no? Parang wala namang ganap. Wala akong nakikita ang buhok eh. Dumikit-dikit lang siya sa kilikili ko. It just stick in my armpit, you know? Wala namang ganap eh. Sayang lang ako ng ano. I just wasted my $2. Aray! Ay, dapat may linya siya. Okay, let's try it. Wala namang ganap, guys. Aray ka. Wala namang ganap eh. Wala naman. Sisira lang yung buko. Na ano nga yung buko, nahatak. Nothing. Ay, ba't pinatay ko?